GitHub for freshers. GitHub isn't just for experienced developers. Even as a fresher, it can showcase your skills, learning, and potential. Think of it as your first professional playground where recruiters, mentors, and peers can see your coding journey. Why freshers need GitHub? Even if you have no job experience. Shows coding ability, demonstrates learning progress, highlights initiative and curiosity, acts as a live portfolio for recruiters. Why it matters? Companies prefer proof over promises. A strong GitHub can help you stand out from other freshers. Start with a clean profile. Your profile is your first impression. Profile photo. Friendly, professional, clear username, real name or handle, short bio, mention skills, learning focus, interests, pinned repositories, show best work. Good example. Check mark, Numan Paramban, Java, Spring Boot, Learning React. Check mark pinned. Expense tracker app, mini chat app. Bad example. Cross mark no photo. Cross mark random username like Coder1234. Cross mark empty bio. Create meaningful projects. Freshers often make the mistake of only uploading tutorials. Instead, focus on small real-world projects, mini apps to solve simple problems. Projects that show understanding, not just copying. Examples. Bad. Calculator app. Tutorial copied. Good. Task Manager web app. Mini e-commerce backend. Weather dashboard app. Why? Shows problem solving. Shows initiative and creativity. Use good README files. Even as a fresher, a good README makes your project shine. Include project description, what it does, features, tech stack, setup instructions, screenshots or demo links. Why? Makes recruiters understand your work quickly. Shows communication skills. Commit history matters. Even small projects can look professional if commits are good. Use meaningful commit messages. Commit regularly, not all at once. Show progress and learning steps. Good commit example. Add user authentication with JWT. Bad commit example. Update. Final. Stuff. Consistency over quantity. Don't worry if you don't have many projects yet. Instead, make small commits weekly. Improve and update projects gradually. Show learning journey. Bad pattern. Cross mark 6 months no commits means 50 commits in one day. Good pattern. Check mark weekly commits means steady growth. Focus on relevant tech stack. Even as a fresher, stick to a few technologies and show depth. Example. If learning Java means Spring Boot, REST API, JUnit. Avoid showing random unrelated scripts unless for learning. Why? Shows you are serious about your chosen stack. Learn version control best practices early. Freshers can impress by using branches for features, writing proper commit messages, merging cleanly, avoiding committing build files or unnecessary binaries. Why? Shows professional habits. Prepares you for team projects. Contribute to open source. Optional but powerful. Even small contributions can stand out. Fixing bugs. Updating README. Writing tests. Why? Shows teamwork and collaboration. Gives real-world coding experience. Common mistakes freshers make. Using GitHub only as storage. No README. Messy commits. Copy-pasting tutorials. No project structure. Why avoid? Looks unprofessional. Reduces credibility. Think like a recruiter. Recruiters see GitHub as proof of skills. Resume equals claim. GitHub equals evidence. Even as a fresher, clean, organized, and meaningful projects can open doors. Simple analogy. GitHub for freshers is like a learning diary, a practice portfolio, a showcase of potential. Why? Shows learning journey. Shows curiosity and dedication. Key takeaways for freshers. Build 2 to 3 small but complete projects. Make good READMEs. Commit regularly with meaningful messages. Stick to relevant tech. Show learning and initiative. Even as a fresher. Check mark GitHub can replace lack of work experience. Check mark shows learning, dedication, and problem solving. Check mark a professional GitHub profile can get you noticed by recruiters. Your GitHub is your first professional identity. Treat it seriously.